Hello YouTube, this is Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz, with LWG LogicalWonderz Games and WaGunLyfe Adventurez YouTube channel. Making this is just a quick video showing you some of my goodies. I'm trying to get back into the, not that type of goodies, trying to get back into the swing of things and the metal detecting, relic hunting, surfing dirt hunting, metal detecting worlds. And here I got some of my goodies. Got me some serious detecting gloves, a COD stainless steel, the Shark 710 scoop, and I got me the 100% titanium Pro Series scoop. I got 2 sets of the travel collapsible carbon fiber handles, you know, so make this all light so I could be out there for hours, well as long as I can, health and God willing, be out there surfing dirt hunting at the beach, and the wet sand and the dry sand and the surf, finding them goodies, finding them pull tabs, them pocket change, them jewelry, if you know what I'm talking about. I'll be putting links in the description and in the comments. You can go ahead and grab yourself some of these metal detecting goodies, treasure hunting goodies. I'll also be putting links of my future metal detecting, treasure hunting videos, as well as any unboxings that I do or product presentations. Please hit the like button, comment if you can. Smash the notification bell so you know when I go live, when I upload, when I post some shorts, some reels, and when I put in a community post. Thank you for your love, support. Appreciate you guys. This is Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz, also known as F-Berg Dominican in some places. LogicalWonderz 1Z on YouTube and Kick. LogicalWonderz with 3 Z's on Twitch and Facebook, PlayStation. LogicalWonderz 1Z on Xbox, Discord, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest. Well, that's all for now. Give you a closer look. Once again, I'll put the links to these in the description, so you can go ahead and purchase these if you're interested. And hopefully Amazon will compensate me someday in the future. I'm an affiliate, but I haven't seen no pennies yet. No checks coming in from Amazon. So there are 2 great scoops. This one right here, you can lift that box up with your pinky. That's how light it is compared to the regular stainless steel or other type of metal scoops. I wish you guys a fantastic, healthy, wealthy, prosperous day and week. Happy spooky season. Happy holidays. I look forward to seeing you guys at my travel, van life, car camping, metal detecting, treasure hunting, and my WaGunLyfe Adventurez videos, as well as my regular gaming, automotive, media, electronics, and sports videos. Peace and one love. LogicalWonderz out.